Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, consider
so we're in Dallas right now. We're headed to, where are we headed? Kelsey's house. I'm so fucking excited. I love Kelsey so much. Love her so much. And I love her little family. So I'm gonna go see my niece. I haven't seen her. Y'all, stop playing with me. I'm freaking talking. Anyways, I have to go see my niece. I'm so excited to see her. I am so excited to see this little baby. Oh my God, my girl. I showed y'all a little bit. I was just working, getting some stuff done. And then went to Olive Garden with my dad. I didn't show y'all that because, man, this be not put me on the internet. And we just be talking. Like, me and my dad, we just be talking, baby. Just talking about work, talking about all that shit. So, you know. But I have about, okay, it's not too bad, 30-ish minute drive over there. So that's what we finna do. And then Morgan is also in town. She's doing stuff for her sister's like wedding and bachelorette stuff. So we'll catch up with her. I think she said Sunday. Look, this is why I can't adhere to people's boundaries. No, I will adhere to her boundaries. But I might pop up on your boundary. No, I'm kidding.
I don't think she knows how to work her phone. I think she has no choice but to hang up. What's the purpose?
No. So I just made it to Kelsey's house, and I need to take a picture of this outfit real quick. So I found a cute little spot, I think. So I'm gonna take a quick picky pic and then go see baby girl. And hopefully, I don't know if Morgan's here yet. I don't know what she's driving, so we'll see.
Me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no bug. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still right these hooks. All time to get exposed, game. Banned from around here, nigga. Come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open. Why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like.
Look at your auntie Trixie. Hi, baby. Not when I come around. Just wait. Let me in so I can fix it. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me. You get salty when you ain't seen nobody in a while. It's not open. What are y'all doing looking at me? Let me in. Look at the clowns. No.
The disrespect. That's what the door is.
Damn, it sure is, right? Bop the shit out of her, Jasper.
Did bop the shit
Jasper.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa.
Whatever you want, darling. It's your day.
But we can do the like size.
Thank you. This one was something. We won't move again. That's too much. That's cute.
He looks like a guy I would go for in high school.
Absolutely.
Oh my God, yeah. If he had like 2 more inches on him. Oh, you did love the pretty boys at first. You love the pretty boys.
Oh, fucking weird.
No, and he gave weird.
She just asked him if it's over there. Yeah, oh, he's about to come over and be like, actually. I hate when restaurants have too many cocktails.
No, yeah, this is overwhelming.
Like, I really don't like it. Because then I feel like, I want that, but I want that.
And frankly, it's like, are these all really good? Because I can't imagine knowing all of these as a bartender and being able to master them. Like, y'all are just playing yourself.
Thank you.
You know, I've been in that mood a lot lately where it's just like, no, I'm gonna ask for what I want, and if it's not how I want it, I'm gonna let you know, and you're gonna provide me with what it is that I wanted in the first place.
It's like self-respect. Like sometimes I'm like, girl, you be really like passive as fuck. I don't like that.
Okay.
Awesome, thank you.
Am I ashy too? A little bit.
Not you're not as ashy as me, but you know, we can all use a little top up. It's lime juice.
Oh.
I like mine extra limey.
Damn, Morgan. Got that man like that. So, okay, so I guess if we were to do like a couples trip to Vegas.
He would
not be
on it.
included.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
the slightest.
Anyone I love like that, like I'm not about to let a relationship.
Put that into a relationship.
Yeah. Neck down,
Pull the tracks out. Yes, I
Turn
slap
up.
bro. Yes, I slap dog. Yes, I slap loud. Yes, I slap a pussy nigga if he act up. Cause we on anything.
Kay's here. She's using me.
You're stupid. I'm not using you. Hi. Her favorite. You know, the first one to be over here.
Yeah, the first one I'd ever let into my home.
After she said, "You bitches are not ever coming over."
That's because y'all want to roll 9 bitches deep and like and be no, y'all want to roll 9 bitches deep and be like entertained and have drinks and food and catered events. No, y'all like catered events. No. Friends do not have catered events. It's like a fucking book club. We're in a sorority at this point. Like, oh my god.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
So picking out clothes is a struggle for me. Like hauls and stuff, like it's just like it's so privileged. Like it's an absolute privilege to have this problem, so champagne problem. But like I'm like there's an urge in me in every cart I make to put something tacky in it. Like there has to be something, and I see them and I look at them and there's just like a few just like stand-alone mistakes. So I ran this current cart that I'm working on by my friend Kelsey for the first time. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna send it to somebody. Like, you know what I mean? Like, let me just see. I'm like, what do I not need? Like, is not cute. And it is, of course, the piece I loved the most. And I'm dying because I'm like, yeah, sounds about right. That's very much that's exactly it's the thing I'm most excited about that'll be like so lackluster and I'll be like, ew, why did I even? And like ugh. So I'm glad I ran it by her because yeah, it's a no for me, dog. Who doesn't love a tacky piece? I love like they're like something a little tacky is so nice. Like I don't know, man. But yeah, good call from her. Oh, and that put us where we needed to be. Okay, girl. Wow. This is when I'm gonna start asking people. Like, I'm done like thinking for myself. I'm just starting. Whoever the person I know that's the best at this shit, prepare to be sick of me. Good morning, guys. So today we have an eventful day, or eventful weekend. Sorry, I'm trying to put on my eye patches. Just feeling a little dry right now, and I'm about to make some juice. So I was like, let me put these on. Kind of multitask, but today is Warren's game night, so we have girls' night tonight. Go over to Warren's, play some games, you know, annihilate these hoes. Like, are y'all competitive when it comes to game night? It depends. Like, if I start off winning, yeah. If I don't start off winning, then I'm already like, I'm like, okay. I'm gonna go grab another drink. Right now, I just want to get my day started, kind of off to a chill morning. I've just been editing, and now I'm kind of just starting my day. Gonna go for a walk. I really, really want to make this like supercharged orange juice, which is technically like a green juice, but it's so good, and everything's pretty much prepped already, but I just need to, like, I want fresh squeezed oranges, so that's what I'm gonna go do real quick. But I do want to write down just a couple errands I don't want to forget before I kind of start moving. Okay, so this is the juicer that I have. It's just like a hand juicer. You press it and it goes, and then you can pour it out. I'll link it down below, but I do have 2 of these because the first one was completely defective. This is gonna bother me. So yeah, don't say I didn't tell you or warn you, but yeah. So, but it works just fine, like for citrus. You know what I mean? Like your limes, your lemons, your oranges. I'm trying to think of what else. So it's actually like pretty low effort to make orange juice. I could really make it every day if I wanted to, or you can make like a carafe at a time. You really just have them. I have them all at once, and then, you know, hit it. And then when you press it down again, it should rotate the other way. And then like it looks hollow like this little shell. But I still like to give it a good squeeze because there's still a lot of juice like right there in that.
You're going to be your habits and rituals. You better get a habit and a routine and rituals that serve you, because if you show me what you're going to do, because here's why, under pressure, you'll always go back to your habit. So you've got to have habits, rituals, and routines that serve you. The next thing is this. You better think about something huge that you want to do with your life, that grips your heart, that makes you want to get out of bed every single morning, that's massive, and it should be right now, whatever just occurred to you, it's bigger than that. It's bigger than that. And make it big, because that's going to be the compelling vision of your life. It's going to get you moving. Okay.
Okay, so it's a little later, I've showered. I'm in my white tee for, we're at teams, so I'm on the white team, so I'm wearing my baby tee. Actually, I'm obsessed with this tee. If you can see, it's like marled. It's a raw silk tank from Ozma, and I have a discount code, but I'll put it at the top today because I love this top. And then I'm wearing, look, I'm trying to be more comfortable y'all seeing that my room isn't always perfectly clean, but we'll see. It's really not even y'all. I just want to hear it from my mom. like I'm a grown ass woman in my own place, and I still just don't want to hear it. Like I'm like, oh god, this woman, you know, like. But that's being a child of parents that have a germaphobe or a OCD. Look at me trying to sing my trauma and like completely fucking up. Anyways, these jeans are from Nasty Gal. These are their boyfriend jeans. I actually keep reaching for these, so that's why I'm even doing this right now, because they're just like a straight leg jean, but I really like them, and they just look good, and they were very affordable. So I believe if these are still in stock, I'll link them down below. Anyways, I'm gonna put my lashes on. Have these Ardell lash trios that I'm going to use, but I'm also going to use, I love these. These are the ones everyone, if I'm wearing these in the TikTok comments, I swear someone is asking me about the lashes, and it's always these. If it's that fluffy mink look that you're going for, it is these. I will link these down below. You can find these on Amazon too. Amazon, CVS has them. Yeah. These are the shorts, and they're still, like, they're long. They're pretty long, so we'll see. I don't mind, but I do want a slightly more natural lash. Just for when I'm filming beauty content, I do like a more on the clean side. I just feel like that fits who I am and usually the makeup that I go for. But I also like the mix of both. Like I think clean with a little bit of like a badass lash is also very much me too. So I like to just switch it up. It's so funny because the CVS I go to, it's always like the same girl there, and she's like, do you do lashes yourself? Because they have to come and grab these. Not that they're expensive, that I can tell they had a lot of lash theft at some point there. But yeah, so, and I can't find my tweezers. Oh shit. Crazy, and these are the colors. These look good. I'm so hungry. And Kayla, her attitude.
And you were like, yeah, but that was a...
What? You got a mix? No, it's just, it's like slushy. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So, you want to speak?
This is the second time I've been put on the spot to speak.
Here's a couple.
Aesthetic, you know.
Okay.
It smells like body butter in here.
Speech.
It does.
What's the speech? What's the speech?
Cheers to friendship, life, and love.
You hate us. You hate us so much.
That's not bad.
Because I never say, let me make a speech. It's always, Lauren, make a speech.
That wasn't bad.
I'll be like, well, maybe you should work on making speeches.
I know, I see, yeah.
We like when you make speeches.
Back to that happening. 2, 1.
You ain't being nobody.
Ready? Set. Go. She said,